Guys, my name is Eden. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always supporting me, for always checking if I have videos uploaded. And for today, we will be unboxing some luxury items. These were not purchased like one time. These were accumulated since last month. I just didn't have time to unbox them, and no credit card was used. No credit card was damaged. These were all purchased like in cash. I hope you won't say anything bad. Just appreciate, guys. So okay, so with no further ado, let's start unboxing. Oh, and before we start, I'd like to acknowledge Dennica Worrell for my accessories. So the earrings that I'm wearing and the bangle were all from the Philippines. So I'm so proud. I got these from Dennica Worrell. So I visited her photo exhibit last month in her studio. She's also selling accessories, so you guys should check her out. I'm gonna link down below her website and her information, so you can also get some cool items from her and check her photos that she's selling. So thank you, Dennica. Alright guys, so let's start from the smallest item. Let's do this one. I don't know what this is. Alright, so this is from Chanel. I think this one was purchased here in Bal Harbour. I have like 2 batches. I got some items also from Orlando when we visited my friend. So we went to the Millenia Mall at the Millenia. So I got some items, but this one I'm not sure. Alright, so let's see. So cute. These were purchased from Bal Harbour, Chanel Bar Harbour. So I was in line for a long time. So look at the packaging, guys. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see. These are my first Chanel earrings. It's so cute, guys. It's so elegant. Let's try them on so you can see. So there you go, guys. It's nice, right? Because you can see the sea. Love it. So there you go, first item. So next item. So again, I don't know which one this is. So another Chanel. Oh, okay, so this item is called La Crème Main. So it's a hand cream, which is really nice. It's in a really nice dispenser. You can bring this anywhere because it's not that heavy and it's so, you know, very compact. Let's see. You just have to press it like this. So yeah, it's just a hand cream, guys. So yes, and it smells so good. And also when I purchased that, they also gave me a sampler, like a perfume sample. I love my SA in Chanel. So this is the Chance Chanel. This is actually my favorite scent. So they're about to give me something and I said, oh, can you give me that one, because it's my favorite. I never had it yet, but it's in the plan. I'm gonna purchase it in the future. So they got me this. small perfume. So thank you for my essay. Alright, so next item, another Chanel. Should I? Okay, another Chanel. I love the chameleon. There you go, guys. So another first. So this is my first Chanel brooch. I chose the simplest in gold, and look at the design, guys. It's simple, and the call, it's not that loud. So when you have like simple dress or tops, you can wear these. There you go. So it's like this. I don't wanna use it here. So see, guys, it's nice, right? So there you go. That's this third item. All right, so another item from Chanel again. Okay, another small item. I think this is okay. So again with the shenanigans. Let's see what this is. Yeah, there you go. Another first. Okay, so this one, guys, can you guess what this is? Yes, it's a pony. It's what do you call it? Scunchie. I really wanted to have this, so when we went to Orlando, I'm glad that they have this in stock. So it's just a ponytail. I know, arte lang. So yeah, since I have long hair, I always wanted to have like hair tie with me. So that's that. You can't see, but it has the like a big pearl with a C. And I always wear my scunchie in my arm, so this one I can just put it like that. It's like a bracelet, but I really loved it. So I hope you will not judge me that that's too expensive for a hair tie. Come on, guys, it's Chanel, and as long as you're happy, whatever makes you happy, right, guys? So that's a scunchie. All right, so last item from Chanel. Okay, so guys, let's move on. All right, let's go to Louis Vuitton. All right, let's open this one. Small item. Okay, so the receipt. All right, it's easy. Just slide it. Okay, so this item is, there you go. So this one is called Vivienne bracelet. Another first. I don't have this yet. Look, guys, what I'm wearing. So the bracelet, the Louis Vuitton bracelet that I'm using is not actually a bracelet. It's a bag charm that I'm using as a bracelet. So now I have the real one, and my first Vivienne. So Vivienne is like a mascot of Louis Vuitton. So this will be my first. So yay, I can wear it now. I've been wanting to unbox everything so I can use these already. So okay. there you go. So yeah, I like the charm. So the Vivienne charm in gold. Yay! Alright. Okay, next item. From Louis Vuitton again. Oh, this one I'm not... okay. So it's a Louis Vuitton perfume. It's the Cool Battant. And I was told that this is the most... this is the bestseller. Because the scent is like really good. And I totally agree, because when I smell this, it smells like Louis Vuitton, guys. So so the scent is the Cool Battant. Well, this one I don't really have to open, like you won't be able to smell it anyway. So, but you know what, I can show you the bottle. Yeah. And go, guys. It's in well, they said you can have your name printed on the bottle, and once you have this, you can ask for refill, and it's gonna be less expensive. Oh, I didn't know that I got... Okay, so there you go, guys. So they are in small bottles. So this is the dispenser. So it's good for travel. So there you go. And oops. Oh, you put it on the bottom. So let's put one. So like that. Oh, okay, there you go. So you remove the cap, and then you put it here, and voila, there you go. And you put it back, and it has the logo. Really nice. So it's so tiny. It's good for small purses. Love the smell. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so next, LV. Okay, this one. Okay. By the way, guys, I will link down below everything, so you'll know the name, exact name, and where to get them. Okay, so this one I got from Orlando in Mall at the Millennia. Okay. And ta-da! Another first. Okay, so this one is... Wow, it's so nice. So it's a Louis Vuitton cap, baseball cap. And okay, the material is leather here. Well, is it? Yeah, it is. And it has the monogram on the side. And this is the suede in with the monogram. I think it's called Eclipse. And the back has the monogram in gold. Another first. So let's try this on. Here you go. So I can't wait to use this. Finally, I was able to unbox, so now I can use. And it's adjustable. The size is large because they didn't have medium at that time, but I tried a medium and it's so tight, so large is perfect. Anyway, you can adjust it. So there you go. I love this. So another first. and I'm not gonna get another one. I'm happy with this. So okay, it's so messy here now. All right, next item. We're almost done, guys. Last three. So these are all shoes. Well, footwear. Okay, so let's start with this from Neiman Marcus. It's a Louboutin. All right, so it's a Christian Louboutin, and so of course with all the shenanigans, the red vest bag. And let's see what this is. All right. So another first. Okay. So you know what I realized, guys? I don't have nude. So for girls, you have to have pair of nude stilettos. This one is not really high, and of course I love the red bottoms of Louboutin, but yes, I totally agree, it's not really comfy. I know, I get that a lot, but these are so nice. I mean, I want to have like a nude in Louboutin, so that's why I purchased this. So that's that. Another first. I have some Louboutins already. So these are my, how many I have? 4. I have 4 now. 4 pairs. That's it. I think I'm good. So there you go. So that's that. Okay, almost done. All right, next. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so guys, the Gucci, if you will notice, they are changing the packaging to green. I love it. So everything, the paper bag, the receipt, envelope, the box, so heavy. Okay, so see the paper bag. So this is right. So all right. So it's a platform. So heavy. Okay. So the dust bag, they also changed because it used to be white silk. So it looks big, right? But these are my size. So okay. So well, this one is not my first. This is actually my second Gucci platform. So it's made of canvas, and that's the back. I mean the sole. So really nice. Okay, there you go. Last but not the least. Okay, I'm getting tired. I remember my friend John Collins Network, he told me that he was also unboxing a lot of luxury items and he got tired. So yeah, now I know the feeling. Alright, so that's the receipt from Fendi. And so I like the green now, yellow, and it comes in a nice box. Okay, so alright, so it's in the box, and it came with like a silk pink, I think it's a shade pink, dust bag, and ta-da, there you go. So these are called slippers. So simple. When you check the website of Fendi, So the name of these shoes is actually slippers. So it's made of again canvas, and it has the leather on the back. So it's like a, you know, like a dwarf shoes. So the reason why I got these is because it matches my Fendi bag, my only Fendi bag. And so look guys, see, so I have this bag and really matches, so that's why I got this. When I saw this in Bal Harbor, we were on our way out already, and then while walking out of the Neiman Marcus, I saw these and I tried it on and they fit me, so yeah. That's everything guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again next time. Stay safe, be kind, and spread the love. Be blessed everyone. Bye.